An important step in Strategy Planner is to map out how the end result is generated in your business, whether that result is financial or otherwise. This overview is called the Strategy Map. The Strategy Map has 4 lanes that help to categorize the various elements of the value creation. However, it is not mandatory to use all 4 lanes. It depends on the particular business case which of the lanes are helpful. For the Diner 7-Eleven case, we start by drawing the elements that lead up to the profit of the business and let it trickle down to the lowest input level. The arrows point out which elements are included in the calculation of the element they point to. This way, you get a full breakdown of the dependencies in the value creation. As a visual aid, you can use colors or images to make distinctions between elements. In our example, we add a yellow color to input values as opposed to calculated values. When done drawing the map, we provide the inputs for the input values. In the background, this goes straight to the value cube. Keep in mind that the Diner 7-Eleven case has a focus on financial value creation because Rob Benson wants to know the impact on his profit from the business idea. However, the strategy map can also be used for other types of value creation. You could, for instance, investigate environmental impact, human resource outcomes, social impact, educational impact, and so on. The applications of this method are endless. Now that the input values are recorded, we can write the formulas for the calculated values. Make sure to complete all elements. We'll now skip to the moment when all formulas are recorded. To clarify the strategy map for Diner 7-Eleven, let's go through what we have mapped out. On the revenue side, there are 2 income streams. One from takeaway meals, which are 250 meals a day. The other one are meals consumed in the restaurant, which are 100 per day. This daily demand is multiplied with the number of days per month that the restaurant is open, and we get the monthly meal demand per type. We multiply the demand with the meal price to get the monthly revenue per type and then the combined revenue. On the cost side, we separate variable costs and fixed costs. The variable costs are the cost of meal ingredients, disposable packaging for the takeaway meals, and the reusable tableware for the restaurant. These are all dependent on the daily meal demand and are multiplied by the price per item to get the variable cost per month. The fixed cost consists of the building lease, salary of the staff, restaurant furniture lease, and restaurant appliances lease. The salary costs are calculated from the different types of staff and their respective salary rate. There are 10 furniture units in the restaurant. Multiplied with the monthly lease cost per unit makes the monthly furniture lease cost. The various types of kitchen appliances are multiplied by their monthly lease price, which makes the total of monthly appliances lease cost. The sum of the fixed and variable cost makes the cost total. And by deducting the cost from the revenue, we have calculated the profit. We have now created a visual representation of how value is created in the business, and also allocated the elements and their values to the value cube.